Aloha and welcome back to another episode of Every Beach in Hawaii. Today I'll be showing you one of my favorite spots on the north shore of Oahu called Sharks Cove. This is a marine protected area by the state located in the Pupukea area, meaning white shell in Hawaiian. Don't let the name Sharks Cove scare you. Despite stories about its origin, whether from the shark-like silhouette seen from the rocks above, fishermen catching sharks, or an old butchery dumping carcasses that attracted sharks a long time ago, you won't see many sharks, especially inside the main reef. If you do want to see sharks, some spot white-tip reef sharks on the outside edge, but they're not prone to be aggressive. The summertime is a perfect time to be here as the water levels change throughout the year. In the winter, the waves hit hard, and the area can be closed off so people don't get hurt. Depending on the tide, sometimes the water levels can be too low to swim and it's more of a small walking pool. So I found the sweet spot is June to September. Because of how popular it is, parking can be tough. If going there on a weekend, it's good to secure your parking spot before 8:30 as that is when it starts getting too full and you'll have to wait. If you park on the side by Three Tables Beach, there's a short path to the beach at Sharks Cove. There are food trucks across the street which are delicious, so make sure to check those out, and there are restrooms on the hill along with a sign detailing the reef's ecosystem. The spot includes a sandy beach, but the surrounding area by the water is very rocky, so make sure to bring some water shoes. The rocks are sharp, so don't fall, and the coral also hurts, so don't slip like I did, and be careful while out there swimming. The water is great for kids, as the beginning is super shallow and it slowly gets deeper at parts, and you'll start to see fish as soon as you're at the water. Snorkeling is easy on the inside of the main reef because there are no constant waves hitting you, and the fish are usually used to humans staring at them. Many snorkel and scuba along the outside edge to see more caves and marine life. Just make sure it's not too rough or you won't see much. I got lucky and saw a pod of dolphins not too far away. Alright, let me show you what I found while snorkeling. Most of this video is inside the main reef, but I went along the outside for a little bit even though it was kind of rough for me to see what was out there. There's a main channel where 1,000 fish were trying to swim back upstream. Just my luck that my GoPro battery died right when this turtle swam by and said hello. So I grabbed my phone that was around my neck and tried to focus on it as best I could. I've seen a turtle just about every single time I've come here. Stick around for some more highlights of what I saw while snorkeling, and mahalo for watching.